Hello friends, a very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video we are going to discuss about our Camarilla R4 breakout scanner. Some questions and doubts regarding this scanner. And this is not a individual scanner; it is a dashboard to find out the stocks for a day trading. That is an intraday. So those stock which is breaking the Camarilla R4. So what are the conditions which you used and how we can? So today market is perfectly positive. So many stocks we got it, and here few stocks are moving about to that level. So here as in PEL, Bandhan Bank, Adani Port. So many stocks are moved, but some stocks where it is showing in the scanner. So because of the condition which we have created, so only few stocks are showing. Let me check what are the conditions which we have made it on the scanner. So the first and main condition which I used in this scanner is Camarilla R4 breakout. So where you are looking at this chart, the R4 level of this particular stock MPS is 2883.80, that is an R4 level, and S4 is somewhere around 2805. So this particular scanner which I have created alternative for my Google Sheet scanner. Okay. So previously we used a Google Sheet to find out the direct strike price of that particular stock and R4 level of the particular stocks. But recently we have some issue on our Google Sheet that is working on. So meanwhile, I just created this particular dashboard on charting. So charting doesn't provide you the option data. So we will find out equity and then we can find out a stock option. So the conditions which I used is here R4 level should break in the particular stock, but that should not break in the first candle. So here you can look at this MPSS which is happening the breakout in the first candle itself. So why I'm just avoiding the first candle breakout, maybe sometimes the reversal also happen, and here in this case it's the first 5 minutes itself it is giving you the breakout. There is a 2883, that R4 value, and it gives you such a good move. So I'm not talking about the stock which given in the breakout, so all the stocks will not go. So that is the main reason. So I should avoid some of the stocks to from this list. I'll let you know here those stocks, what are the stocks are listed. So it is breaking the R4 level after 9:30 only. So if you are watching the dashboard after 9:30, those stock which given in the breakout in the first 15 minutes candle, that stocks would be filtered here, and only the stocks which is going to break after 9:30, so which is broken after 9:30, that stock should be listed here. So for example, PEL and Manappuram Adani Port. Let me check randomly. PEL. Um, so you can look at this the 5 minute chart. So first, second, third, and this given in the breakout on the fourth candle, fourth 5 minutes candle. That means the second 15 minutes, where you can see the first candle it doesn't give you the breakout. The second candle only 9:30 to 9:45 candle. In this case 9:30 to 9:35, that given in the breakout. So around 959, that is a R4 level where it is given you the breakout, and after the breakout, so it is giving you such a good move. So where I can keep my stop loss either an R3 level or even pivot level sometimes. Okay, but previously we are simply using the option chart. For example, if I'm just looking for this particular stock, so as per previous close is 944 and today open is 942. Sorry. So we will be go for a 940 PEL 940 call option as well as put option that Google Sheet will select. Okay. So in this case, this R4 level of this particular stock, where it is almost 44.25, but in option chart that was given in the breakout in the first candle. But second candle also it is started below and it is given in the breakout somewhere around 44 and it is closing over 77. It moved up, and maybe our stop loss in the pivot is 37.65 or 40 in the R3 level. But previous thing which we are using a filters by our Google Sheet directly filtering the option, but in the charting dashboard we are filtering only the stock which given in the breakout on the equity. Okay, and if you want to look for that something like that Camarilla R4 breakout, all the stocks, if I'm just looking at all the stocks, so what would happen if any stocks which given in the breakouts, and I think it's not possible here. If it is gray breaks all the stocks, that means it is broken. Let me change that. Wait a moment. I'll change it. So what are the stocks which given you the R4 breakout? So that I'm simply just finding out how many stocks which are given today in the first candle. Okay, so that would be listed here. I'm just showing you. So I'm just avoiding those stocks which broke in the first candle. So that is why we have very few number of stocks, because based on this we have to check one or two stocks. I need to get it. Okay, so here I'll be reload it. Ah. So you can see now a lot of stocks like Shriram Finance, MPS, Cipla, Bharat Forge, a lot of stocks would be there in Ashok Leyland. So Ashok Leyland that moves very well today by the gap up. And let me check MPS, Shriram Finance. These are all the stocks which is given you the breakout and it is moves. First candle itself. So you can see Shriram Finance in the first candle itself it broken the R4 values and it was keep on moving higher, and but it is not moved initially and it is closing over it very fast. And some stocks like MPSS, Cipla, Bharat Food, these are all the stocks which given you the breakout in the first candle itself. So I should avoid those stocks in the first candle breakout. This is also given in the first candle break. So based on the conditions we are filtering out. So one or two stocks we are trying to find out for an intraday based on the Cambrilla R4, and that is a real-time dashboard. So where you can access the dashboard and it will be showing you those stocks which is going to give you the breakout. So now I can easily find the breakout stocks, and where the stock is moving about to the level, and that would be minus values, and these are all the stocks nearing to that. When it is zero, that would be crossing the level. So maybe this one Cummins India exactly near to the level. Let me check Cummins India. Maybe it moves higher and then return back, and now it is lower. Okay, this is the R4 value. It is nearing to that, but previously it given you the breakout on nearby 10:30 after, and it doesn't move, and it even it doesn't trigger the stop loss also, because R3 are pivot. Okay, so it is in mid range, but we have to find one or two stocks which is giving you an opportunity. Okay, so that is what the main logic which I have created, and the put side also be the same in a downside. So and this scanner already updated on our premium group. So people who are asking the premium group. So what is the premium group which we have? So you will be accessing my premium scanners. So we have already created a lot of scanners like CPR based scanners and Camarilla. So these are all not defaultly available in charting. So we have created an ADR. ADR is one of the best indicator where I used for an intraday, and it is also be a breakout kind of thing. And swing scanners also available in our scanners. So recently we made a videos regarding the swing scanners, and awesome oscillator, that is also we have in the group, and some of the technical like a gap up, gap down, and candle based scanners all are available in our Telegram group. So there is a private group which I have, and it is I'm charging minimum charges for lifetime, and if you wish you can access that. You are asking about demo, so it is a direct links of the scanners where you can access the scanners link, and you can if you have any changes you can made it on that scanners and with the copy and edit right also. So you can copy the scanners and you can also edit it, so whenever you want to change a multiple time frame. So I have created a base scanner, so which works for a daily. So then you can turn into intraday or maybe whatever the time frame you want, you can change it that scanner into multi time frame, or you can make use of it. So this is a very important thing. And also one more scanner which I have created recently, that is finding a trending stock by based on the ADR, based on the CPR and Camarilla. So combining the two indicators, we find out the scanners to find out trending stocks like the ADR. So what I used on that particular scanner, that link also updated. So here this is an ADR, this is an CPR pivot. This is a pivot. So let me go for a CPR, and you are also asking which CPR I can go for. Whatever the CPR you can go for. So you will be finding only the values. So I don't want to this level of R3, R1, R2, S1, S2, S3. So I need only the pivot of BC and TC, where you can see it in the purple color. So in pivot levels, I don't want to other values. I need only S1, R1. So what I just simply finding out trending stocks based on this particular scanner, Why it is showing you CPR? The being good. S1 and R1. So why it is showing you R2? R2 we don't want it. S1 R1 we mentioned. Somewhere it's showing you R1 R2. So okay. I just want to I just want to find out the stock which was trading inside. So that means any stock which forming a inside Camarilla R1 and S1 and the CPR level. Okay, that kind of stocks I want to find out by using our scanner. That will helping you to find out what are the stocks which forming a such a pattern, and based on that I can just make use of it for a trending one. So Cipla, let me go for a Cipla. You can see this is an R1 and this is an S1. So in between R1 and S1, so entire that CPR level inside the R1 and S1. So I can go for an R1 breakout or S1 breakout in this case. And Hero MotoCorp. So I'll show you clearly. I think this R2. I don't want to. I think this will showing you here. This is the exact thing which I'm looking for. You can see. This is scan. This is also be the scanner which is updated on the group. So this is an R1 Camarilla. This is an S1 Camarilla. So the CPR, central pivot range, which is inside between the previous that is particular day. So maybe you can utilize this should be a breakout level, and this should be a breakout level, either it's an upside move or a downside move. So after this breakout and it is trending. So this is the logic which I used on the scanner, and that particular scanner is also available on my premium group already. Today I just uploaded that, and that would be helping you to find out some good kind of trades. And that I was just finding out around the 7 8 stocks yesterday, like Chola Finance. That forming is such a pattern. So where you can look at this, but maybe whether it is giving you opportunity on the first candle or not. So but it is given the breakout, and after that it is giving you some good opportunity. In this case, Shriram Finance also be same like that. So yesterday R1, and it is opening about to that level, and then it keep on continuous. And this stocks I'm just finding out that consumer product, that is also forming such a pattern yesterday in this case, and today it is gap down, and it is on the same level. It doesn't move downside, but it is opening below to this support level. So that would be for a selling stock, and which is R1 and R2, so which we can use for a buying. So that's a concept which I have created, and both the scanners are available now on our premium group. So if you wish to join that premium group, you can also join. And this Sunday, so we have a planning on a webinar regarding how to use the regular income flow from SWP in mutual funds. So the link I will be provided in the description. If anyone who interested, you can register on that. Thank you so much. Thanks for